Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to keep your Steam gifts private. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to make our Steam gifts private. At the top left, you will see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Well, once you do, there are lots of options. But right now, all we want to do is click on this button called as Settings. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, the very first thing that you are gonna see is Account. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you want to do is focus on this Account section. Right here, you can see something called as Privacy Settings. Click on it, and then you will be redirected to a new page. Well, from here, as you can see, my basic details are currently public. Well, I do not want to do anything with that right now. I'm just gonna scroll down, and right here, as you can see, my inventory is public. And right now, all I want to do is hide my Steam inventory. Well, it's quite easy. For instance, you can simply change it from public to private. It's up to you. And guys, that is it. In case you just want to keep it on friends only, just toggle on this checkbox right here that says always keep Steam gifts private. Simply toggle it on, and that is it guys. That's how you keep your Steam gifts private. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.